going to start this out with a lacrosse ball and your calf. This is going to loosen up those calves. All you got to do is you got to sit down on the ground. We're going to do one at a time. I'll do this side so you can have a better view. What you're going to do is your hands are going to go underneath those hips and you're going to help lift those hips up as best as possible. I like to use a ball because you can really address how much intensity, how much pressure you're putting on there really, really easily. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pin this ball right underneath the meaty part of the calf right here. The ball goes right down. Toes going to start pointing straight up to the sky. Hands here by the hips. I'm going to push myself up off of the ground as best as I can. And I'm going to scoot myself up and down on top of that calf. So you can see that ball is kind of rolling and hitting different spots of my calf. Now as you see, I'm actually rotating my toes. So my toe is now pointing almost 90 degrees out to the side. You can take it as far out to the side as you find a spot. Still maintaining that pressure on the meaty part of the calf and not on top of any of the bones. So we're going to dig into it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to progress this a little bit more advanced. I'm just going to take my opposite leg and put it on top. And now, boom, lift my hips up. And I'm putting so much pressure on top of that calf that it is just lighting it up. So much so that I'm actually going to regress it, plant my foot right here, and help lift my hips up. Now I'm in 3 points of contact here, well technically 4 points, but weight is primarily on my left foot and my two hands, pushing those hips up so that I can put more emphasis on top of that calf. It's a great stretch or a great way to relax those muscles. And again, you're going to be looking up and down. Find a spot and spend 8 to 20 seconds with an emphasis on the higher end.